Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link with a quick update on a kind of a murky day. Boy, a lot of humidity out there, some locally dense fog, and we've had our share of showers coming through, and that pretty much will continue throughout the late afternoon and early evening. We are taping this as of about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Take a look outside. Now, this is North Kingstown. Normally, you can see right across the water on this camera shot, but you see some of that dense fog and the low clouds. When it's not raining, the air certainly has a wet feel to it with so much moisture floating around. And that'll promote more fog and showers this afternoon and late this afternoon and into the early evening hours. You take a look at the visibility. Now, this is as of 4 o'clock this afternoon. And certainly the numbers have come down under a mile in many locations, so the visibility hasn't been quite as low out across parts of southeastern Mass, but even there, places like Plymouth and New Bedford, I do expect some fog to be forming. High temps today, so far, it's been in the upper 60s to low 70s. We may jump several degrees early this evening into the lower 70s, but mostly upper 60s to low 70s today. Of course, the cloud cover, the showers, and the wind off the water adding to the cool feel to the air. So no doubt the high humidity in place, and that'll promote more showers this evening and overnight along with some areas of fog. Weekend still looks good. We'll go a mix of clouds and sun on Saturday. I think the only downside with Saturday is kind of a gusty, windy day, but we've got sunshine. It's dry. It's a lot milder. Sunshine on Sunday, less wind, and temperatures a little warmer in the lower 80s, and even warmer air anticipated for the early part of next week. Take a look at the satellite and radar composite. Again, this is as of 4 o'clock this afternoon, and you can still see some elements of occasional passing showers coming through. The little blips of yellow and orange indicate you get a brief downpour every now and then. And we try to widen out the view here, and there's more activity that we're tracking. In fact, let's get a bigger look here. Out across Ohio, it's this system right in here, area of low pressure. This will track off to the east the next 24 hours. So this will just enhance additional showers and maybe a few isolated thunderstorms tonight through, I would say, 3/4 of Friday. Once we get to Friday evening, late day, and early Friday night, things are clearing out. This sets up for some pretty nice weather over the weekend. Dew points, of course, we talk about this a lot during the summertime season. These numbers are high in the upper 60s to low 70s, so all that dark green indicating very high humidity in place, and that's one reason why we have some of this fog that's out there right now. We'll stay humid this evening through at least the first half of Friday, and then humidity levels will drop off by late afternoon and early evening on Friday. All right, taking a look at what we're expecting over the next roughly 18 to 24 hours. We'll start off this evening still with low clouds and fog. Temperatures this evening will generally be in the upper 60s to around 70. And you can see every now and then showers are passing through, an isolated downpour, and right on through the overnight. Here we are, 6 o'clock in the morning. Lingering showers, temperatures in the upper 60s. And even during, here we are, mid to late morning, still a chance for scattered showers. And even into the early to mid-afternoon, this is 2 o'clock, an isolated shower. But watch what happens in our western suburbs. The skies start to break apart with some clearing. Perhaps one last hurrah of a sprinkle or a light shower at around 5 o'clock in the evening. But look at the trend between roughly 5 and 9 o'clock in the evening. We're clearing out. This is 7 o'clock. The sun is still up. So I do expect before the sun sets, which is now almost at 8:30, that for a few hours before sunset, we'll actually see a little bit of sun to end the day, and then this will set the stage for lowering humidity and clear skies for your Friday night. So for this evening, more of the same, very humid, showers and fog. Temperatures upper 60s tomorrow morning, early fog, showers, temperatures again in the upper 60s, and into the early afternoon hours, looking at scattered showers, low 70s, and then notice towards late day and early evening, we start to see some breaks of sunshine. So just kind of more of the same heading out this evening. Certainly drive with caution in some of the fog and the shower activity, but better weather ahead starting Friday evening, Friday night, and right on through the weekend, so good news there. That's the latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.